Okay, good morning, ninth class. That our second chapter is matter around us pure. That one is already completed. Okay, and hope so. All of you have done their NCRT question answer also, and you have to send your work to me. Okay, then another thing is that your first chapter matter in our surrounding. That one is also done, and that from first chapter, that is half of the portion is reduced. Hope so all of you have seen that reduced syllabus. Okay, so some portion is reduced from first chapter. Okay, the matter in our surrounding. Okay, so today I'll start with our new chapter. That one is atoms and molecules. This one is your third chapter of chemistry. So I'll explain this chapter also, because maybe okay, that one is क्या कह सकते हैं कि half of the portion या full chapter I'll give in your half yearly. जब भी होंगे half yearly तो I'll complete atoms and molecules also. Then after that I'll start with revision. Okay, and this chapter is very important. Some new terms are there. That one is very new for you. पहले पढ़ी नहीं है. Okay, तो understand all these topics very carefully. Now just see. In case of atoms and molecules, this one is our third chapter. Now first question arises, that one is what is atom. Okay, अगर हम बात करें atom की या what are atoms, how to define it, तो simple thing I think that one is atom is the smallest unit of an element. Okay, and atom cannot be further subdivided into simpler one by simple physical or chemical method, but under special circumstances actually nuclear fission. Okay, that under special circumstances atom, okay, that one is simple, atom can be subdivided into subatomic particles, and that one is known as what? Okay, electron, proton and neutron. Okay, ninth class, but remember one thing, that one is possible only, okay, under special circumstances. Normally atom cannot be subdivided, but only under special circumstances atom can be subdivided into three particles. Just see, electrons, protons and neutrons. Now in case of this one, how to write electron? This one is E negative, this one is electron, and electron is negatively charged. This one is very important point. That one is electron, E negative, that one is a representation, and electron is negatively charged. Now proton is positively charged. Okay, and neutron, in case of neutron, no charge is present. Okay, negatively charged, positively charged, and in case of neutron there is no charge on neutron. Okay, now we'll study electron, proton and neutron in detail in our next chapter. That one is the structure of atom. Okay, now just see, in case of electron, who discovered electron? Actually, electron, discovery of electron, it's a combined work of it's a Crook, then Plucker and J.J. Thomson, but the main work is considered for J.J. Thomson. So if question is who discovered electron, okay, so your answer is J.J. Thomson. Okay, so J.J. Thomson discovered electron. Now what about proton? Okay, that E. Goldstein discovered proton. And what about neutron? So it's a James Chadwick, or you can say it's a Chadwick, J. Chadwick. Okay, the pronunciation it vary. Chadwick, I said it's a Chadwick. This one is James Chadwick. So who discovered? That one is James Chadwick, E. Goldstein and J.J. Thomson. This one is regarding to atom. Now next thing we have, that one is regarding to molecules. Okay, and what about molecule? How to define it? Okay, ninth class. Now another thing we have, that one is regarding to molecule, although we have done in second chapter also, but simple, thoda sa revision short. Okay, in case of molecule, that molecule is the smallest unit of a compound. Compound ki smallest unit hai, and when two or more atoms combined in a fixed definite ratio by mass, then they form molecule. Okay, it means if they are formed by the combination of two or more atoms in a fixed amount, the definite amount, okay, by weight, so it means they can be separated or decomposed into simpler one by simple physical or chemical method. That one is molecule. And again, that molecule are of two type. One is homoatomic molecule, one is homoatomic molecule, and another one is heteroatomic molecule. Okay, homoatomic molecules means in which that same kind of atoms combine to form molecules like H2. Okay, that one is H2, O2, O3, etc. Okay, that we have Cl2, F2, बहुत सारे example हैं. And in case of heteroatomic, when different types of atom combine to form molecule, that one is heteroatomic molecule. In case of this one, HCl, it's a hydrochloric acid. C6, okay, H12O6, that one is glucose. Okay, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, H2O, it's a water, etc. They all are heteroatomic molecule. Okay, then after that we have topic, that one is laws of chemical combination. Okay, in case of laws of chemical combination, we have 5 laws. One is law of conservation of mass. Second one we have, that one is, okay, law of constant or definite proportion. Then third is law of multiple proportion. Fourth is Gay-Lussac's law of combining volume. थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा है सुनने में. Okay, that one is, it's a Gay-Lussac's law of combining volume, and last is law of reciprocal proportion. But 9th class you have to study only 2 law, क्योंकि तुम्हारा concern सिर्फ किससे है? First 2 laws है, law of conservation of mass and law of definite or constant proportion. Okay, and that I'll explain in another video. Thank you.